So at this point in time, I'm going to turn off the heat. Can you see what is happening in the pot? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited. Look at what I have on this table. Can you guys identify this? Can you identify this leaf? So this is Zobo leaf. So I'll be making Zobo drink. I'll be making Zobo drink today. It's a very natural drink, healthy drink, very nutritious. You will just love this drink. I remember the first time I tried Zobo drink. Oh my goodness. After that, I fell in love. Like, I always look forward to having Zobo drink. So this is all the way from Nigeria, and it arrived here in Japan. Here I have ginger. I'll be using ginger as my flavor or seasoning, whatever you want to call it. So I have some ingredients here too. So you can see we just wrapped up some ingredients. Wow! Oh my god! Okay, this is not Zobo ingredients. I'm gonna take this one off. And also I have here some of the ingredients that I'll be using, the flavors. So this, I'll be using this flavor. I'll be using pineapple flavor as well. I'll be using this. I don't know what this is called, but I normally use it whenever I'm making my Zobo. If you know the name, please leave it in the comment section for me. Also, I'll be using ginger. So these are the things that I'll be using to make delicious Zobo. So if you don't have pineapple flavor, you can also use real pineapple. Okay, just blend your pineapple and pour it inside. I mean, the taste will come out and you will really like it. So you can see ginger has lots of health benefits. Imagine adding ginger to this Zobo flour. Oh my goodness, it's another level. It's so good. It boosts your immune system, very nutritious. You will just love the drink. It's a healthy drink. So people, today we are going to be making Zobo drink. So guys, to start making our Zobo drink, here I have my pot. I'll be pouring the quantity that I'll be making today. So I don't want to make so much, just a little drink. So this much is okay. And I will seal up the bag to preserve the, I will seal up the bag to preserve the remaining leaf. No air is allowed inside. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one away. And this is a much we'll be making today. So let me show you how I make my Zobo drink. I will not be adding the ingredients at once. The only thing I'll be adding when cooking this Zobo is just this one, and then the ginger roots and the ginger roots. So first I will wash this leaf. So guys, I'll wash the leaf, but I'll be very careful so that all the colors will not go off, because if you wash it for so long, all the colors might just, most of the color might just go off. So the reason why I'm washing it, not really washing to say, but just to make sure that maybe any sand particle will just stay at the bottom part of the pot. See, look at the color already. So the color is almost going off. So I'll be fast to quickly remove it, put it here. I'm going to sieve it, but I'll make sure the bottom parts don't, did not go inside. Oh my god. Like most of the color is off already. Look at that. Some people don't even wash this thing before using, because they want to retain the complete color. I'm trying to be careful so that the bottom part, but I think I'll just leave this part because I don't like sand inside. It used to have lots and lots of sand. Look, strong sand even. Okay guys, so this is the one I'll be cooking right now. So guys, we are beginning to cook our Zobo drink. So that's the Zobo flour in the pot, and I'm going to cover the pot to allow it to boil very well. So while the Zobo leaf is boiling, the next thing I'll be doing right now is to prepare the ginger roots by blending the ginger roots. So guys, it is time to blend the ginger. So look at this big size ginger. I'm going to be throwing it there, and then another one inside because I really want the taste of ginger. So adding a little water. It's time to blend. So guys, next I'll be adding this other flavor inside. I don't really know the name of this thing, but it's flavor that they use in cooking Zobo. So when I find out the name, I'll definitely leave it, you know, when editing the video. Hey guys, can you see what is going on here? Our Zobo leaf is boiling. It is boiling. So at this point in time, it's already okay because once the water gets boiled, that means everything is okay. You just allow it to cool off and, you know, bring out more of its color and all its nutrients, and then you can now sieve it properly. So now I'm going to be adding the ginger, the blended ginger. So guys, so here is our blended ginger.
Heat.
Yeah,
You've not turned off the heat.
it's okay. So you can turn off the heat if you want to before you add your ginger, or you can just add the ginger and immediately turn off the heat. So here I just added in the blended ginger. I'm going to rinse this blender so that everything will come out. So I'll just allow it to boil for some few more minutes, and then I will turn off the heat. So guys, you can see what is going on here in the pot. Look at how this whole thing is dancing. Oh my god, like it's so strong. So at this point in time, I'm going to turn off the heat. Can you see what is happening in the pot? I love it. Okay, just turned off the heat right now. seconds, I will allow the ginger, the zobo leaf, the zobo drink to get cool off before I will sieve, and then it will be ready to drink. So people, our Zobo drink is cooled off already. Like, it is not hot at this point in time. Now it is time to sieve my drink. And the reason why I am using this special sieve is because I don't want story. I don't want story. I don't want any sand particles or any other kind of particle to be in my Zobo drink. I like my Zobo drink to be, fresh. I like my Zobo drink to be properly sieved. Like, I don't want any kind of particle inside. So this is why I am taking my time to sieve the drink. And I tell you, at this point in time, just be ready to to have your table, your kitchen messed up, but it's okay as long as you are doing it right, because you want to drink a healthy drink. You want your drink to come out without any particle inside. So trust me, I am going to repeat this process again and again. It takes time to get a perfect Zobo drink. So I give kudos to the people that are doing this as business, because it takes a lot of time, to really do it properly well. And that is why someone like me, I don't like buying Zobo drink. I like to do my own drink, because I trust the one that I made by myself, homemade Zobo drink. You know what I'm talking about. So people, here I am just sieving it, because I don't want leaf, I don't want sand, I don't want any kind of particles inside of this drink. So just keep watching the rest of the video as we make progress with our amazing Zobo drink. So guys, one more time, I am still going to sieve this drink. Like I said to you, it is homemade Zobo drink, and I'm taking my time. Like, I made out time to do this drink and to do it properly well. Whenever I want to make Zobo, I take days to prepare for it, and I make sure I give it all the time that I'm supposed to dedicate to it, in order to have my amazing drink, free from sand, free from particles, because the leaf comes with a lot of sand. The leaf comes with lots and lots of particles of all sorts. So you just want to make sure that your Zobo drink is clear, free of sand, free of any kind of particles. I mean, when you are drinking it, oh my goodness. So guys, take a look at the pot. I mean, the pot is clear, no particles, no sand. This is how you will know that your Zobo drink is free from sand. No nothing residing at the bottom part of the pot. At this point in time, our Zobo drink is almost getting ready. And I'm going to be adding the flavors, because I did not really buy this by myself. It was sent to me from Nigeria. So they bought different flavors for me, so I'm going to be adding up different flavors. I am using the first one, pineapple flavor. So if you don't want to use this pineapple flavor, you can actually get real pineapple. Like, it will still give you that pineapple flavor. If you don't want to add all this flavor, you can still do without adding all this flavor. When you use like real pineapple, or any other kind of fruits that you want to mix inside, maybe you might just not need any extra kind of flavor. And this is another flavor that I'll be adding inside as well. They are all Zobo flavor, and I tell you, they taste really good. So I added 2 kinds of flavor, and now I will be doing the turning. Like, see what I'm doing right now. Oh my god, making sure that the Zobo, all the ginger, all the flavors are just marrying each other, marrying one another. Look at what I'm doing right now. People, at this point in time, if you have not started liking this video, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just be clicking that like button. Click the like button. Click, because I am taking my time. This is what we call premium Zobo drink, homemade Zobo drink, first class Zobo drink that will nourish your body, give you blood, real proper blood tonic. I don't know how to even say this, like how this drink makes me to relax, how it helps me to relax. Look, I'm even finding the word to use. This drink helps me to relax. Like, there's something about this Zobo drink. I don't know that it's in the leaf, the Zobo leaf, or maybe it is in the ginger or the flavors. There is all the clove. Oh my god, this have lots of health benefits. Let me test this. Oh my god, oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is proper blood tonic. Imagine drinking this thing. It clears the throat. Ginger have lots of health benefits. Clove have lots of health benefits. I tell you, this is a healthy drink. So, guys, thank you so much for taking out of your beautiful time to watch this amazing Zobo drink making. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me, and I tell you, make your own Zobo by yourself. You will at the end of the day love it. Imagine just making the Zobo and putting it in the refrigerator. You will love it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the comment section, as well as see you in my next video. Bye people.